Audacity is software for recording, editing, and analyzing audio, available for free download in Windows, Mac, and Linux versions. In this tutorial, you'll find a beginner's guide to getting started and using Audacity's most basic functions, plus a demonstration of how to apply just a couple of the many effects available to your files. Audacity can be intimidating at first. Some people find the many menu buttons and features overwhelming, but once they learn the ropes, they find it's all worth it. To begin, just go to audacityteam.org. You'll find the Download Audacity button prominently featured. Click through to choose your operating system. It's available for Windows 10, 8.7, Vista, and XP, for Mac OS X, Mac OS 10.6 and later, and for Linux/GNU as source code. Now you're ready to start using Audacity.
Audacity's user interface is made out of simple modular toolbars. Toolbars might not be at the same place as in this video, as they can be docked and undocked to fit your preferences. Let's go over the toolbars. Here we have the main toolbar. This one is not modular and contains all the tools. However, it is a bit inconvenient to use, so the most commonly used tools are also located in the other toolbars for easy access. Here we have the playback toolbar. Using this, we can control the playback of the audio file, or we can begin the recording of the audio track. Here's the toolbar. These buttons change your cursor mode to the tool highlighted. For the tutorial, we'll be mainly using the selection tool. Here we have the edit toolbar, which covers most of the functions such as cutting, copying, pasting, silencing, and trimming the portion selected, undoing, redoing actions, and the various zoom options. The volumes are controlled by the mixer toolbar. Here's the controls for the microphone volume, and here's the controls for the speaker volume. The two meters here control monitoring your input and output devices. The toolbar above is the microphone monitoring toolbar, and the tool below is the speaker monitoring toolbar. The transcription tool controls the playback speed of your audio file. The device toolbar is where you control what devices are used for recording and playback. The bar above here is the timeline. The numbers above are displayed in seconds and change depending on your zoom options. You can also use this bar to control playback. To begin recording your first track, check if your microphone is detecting sound. Click on the recording meter tool to check if the green bar is showing up. The green bar is the sound level. If the sound level is too high, try lowering the recording volume. If it is too low, try raising it. If no bar is displayed, check that the recording volume is above 0, the microphone is plugged in, and the correct device for recording is selected in the devices toolbar. Now, let's make our first recording. To begin recording, press the record button on the playback toolbar. To stop recording, press the stop button. To listen to what your recording sounds like, press the green triangle button. If no sound is being played, make sure that the playback volume is above 0, your computer's volume is above 0 and not muted, your speaker is plugged in, and the correct device for playback is selected in the devices toolbar. Notice the scrolling line. To stop recording, press the stop button. This is the portion that is currently being played. The play button starts and ends playback based on the selected portion. You can stop the playback early by pressing stop. Let's go over simple editing. To cut portions off the track, use the selection tool to highlight the portion you want to remove. Then press Cut in the Edit toolbar. This removes selected portion from the audio. Another option is the silence portion. Notice the difference. The cut command removes the selected portion from the audio, while the silence command silences the track. To record a second separate track, instead of continuing to record from the first, press Tracks in the menu toolbar, select New Tracks, and select Stereo Track. Now you can select which track to record to.
To record on a separate track, you select the other track and then push the record button.
Press the Stop button.
And if you push play, they're gonna play at the record button.
Press the Stop button.
And if you want to put effects on any of these tracks, you go on the main toolbar, go to Effects, and select any of these. For example, let's try Amplify, and you choose how many decibels you want to amplify it with. The top one shows how many decibels it's gonna sound like, and this one is gonna show the difference from the normal. And as you can see, the wavelengths have changed. Let's try playing it again.
To stop recording, press the Stop button.
Now this time this sounds amplified. Let's go back. Also, if you would like to import another audio, maybe a background music, any audio file you add is gonna be added as a separate track, and you can actually make music on top here by, as we previously showed, add new track, then record it on top. This is very convenient because it plays So now we have the narrative and the audio track. So now you want to make your own creation. To do that, you select all from the main toolbar, and then go to tracks from the main toolbar, mix and render, and it becomes one big track with your sound in it. To save the file as one big MP3 file, you go to File, the main toolbar, go to Export, export as MP3 or any other audio format you want to choose, and save the file in your desired name. You can change the name. The name is Amar. Song. It's gonna be Song of the Year. Track number 1. 15. downloaded this background music from different websites, so that's why it's displaying it like this. Okay, so it's gonna export everything now. If you want to see if it really is saved, go to your save location. This is very convenient because it plays.
You'll probably still have questions about how to get the most out of Audacity. Don't worry, Audacity has its own abundance of documentation and help files available via the Help button on the menu at the top of its homepage. But we hope we have helped you get comfortable jumping in.